this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to cook chicken Kievs in the air fryer, or should we be saying warming up chicken Kievs, because we're buying chilled chicken Kievs from the supermarket and then just showing you how easy they are to warm up and be to crispy perfection in the air fryer. So basically what this is it's a collection of easy and simple times and temperatures for over 275 popular air fry foods, so that you can attach it to your fridge, whiteboard, or just have it on a hook in your kitchen, and then you can easily reference it when you're cooking something in the air fryer and you're just thinking, all right, I fancy some chicken Kievs for dinner for the kids tonight, but I don't actually know the time and temp. To save you looking online and scrolling through some posts, I will quickly give you the time and temp in this guide and you can follow it along at home. It just makes life so much easier. So this air fry time and temp chart, if you've not seen it already, is a mixture of different chapters. So we've got breakfast, fish and poultry, meat, vegetarian reheating, potatoes and vegetables, and of course frozen. So let's put it to the test. And now I'm in the poultry chapter. So I'm looking now and I can see chicken Kievs, and I can see it says 18 minutes at 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. So that's easy to remember, just loading up some chicken Kievs in the air fryer, 18 minutes at 180, and we're good. So then you can put that to one side, grab your chicken Kievs, make sure you've got your air fryer ready to go. So then load up your chicken Kievs for dinner. I can fit 4 of them in my Philips air fryer. It can depend on which type of air fryer you've got. You might prefer to do 2 and then load it up with some frozen fries as well. And if you did want to do that, how would that work on the time and temps, I wonder? So back to your chart. And then if you look here, we've got the frozen chapter at the back. And then you would look down here and think, right then, I want some frozen chips. So we're having a look down the list. Frozen French fries, 9 minutes, 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit. But hang on a minute, what if you want a different type? So for example, curly fries is 15 minutes at 190. So you can adjust it depending on how many you're cooking. I'll have a look on here for some more. And then of course you could also do it with some onion rings as well if you wanted to. Or you could even do it with some roast potatoes. So for example, if you were doing it with some potato wedges that were frozen, they take 16 minutes. So what you could do is you could give these chicken Kievs a 2-minute head start, add in some frozen potato wedges, and then you can cook it all together. So let's get started with these chicken Kievs, shall we? So air fryer in. And then for setting the time and temperature, you're looking for 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And then a cooking time of 18 minutes. Pop it all the way up to 18 minutes. And then press start. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fry beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped. So, shall we check on these chicken Kievs? Oh wow, look at those. Now those are proper chicken Kievs. I love chicken Kievs in the air fryer and they just look absolutely fantastic. And then you can grab something I'm currently at an Airbnb, so I'm limited on what accessories I've got, and then you can just grab them like that from the air fryer, and they're just brilliant. Get under that one there. Oh wow, I mean, look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? I'll just put those to one side for now so that I can show you them. Oh wow. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love a chicken Kiev. You know, there's certain foods from childhood that you just never get sick of. And they're so golden in the air fryer as well. And look at them with the filling there. They're just absolutely fantastic. I'm going to show you a close-up of the crisp on those. I mean, oh wow, doesn't that look amazing? So there you go. That is chicken Kievs in the air fryer, guided by our time and temp guide, which is just absolutely amazing. And it's just perfect for quickly referencing when you think to yourself, oh, I just want to cook a chicken Kiev in the air fryer. I don't want to get engrossed in recipes online. I just want the time and temp, and I just want it fast. And remember, this comes with a magnetic strip, so you can just attach it to your fridge, or use the hook if you prefer, and then you can hook it onto somewhere in your kitchen if you haven't got that type of fridge. And it's just perfect for everyday cooking in the air fryer. So if you've not grabbed a copy yet, head over to recipethis.com and check it out. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.